Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with Print Layout because the extra border often appears there. Open the document and click where the border shows. Once done, enable the ruler and view grid lines to see margins and spacing clearly. You want the document's guides visible so you can tell if the border is a paragraph border, page border, or table edge. Make sure to select the affected area first. This directs Word to show the right options in the ribbon for removal. Now identify whether the line is a paragraph border, table cell border, or a page border. Select the paragraph or table cell, then use Home Borders to choose No Border. If it's a page border, go to Design Page Borders and set None. For tables, use Table Tools Layout or Design to remove cell or table borders, and for paragraph borders, check Paragraph Dialogues Borders tab. If multiple elements overlap, remove each source and finish by checking Print Preview and switching between layout views to confirm removal. Sometimes a border hides only in one view. If the line persists, turn on Show /Hide to reveal paragraph marks, section breaks, or anchored objects that create lines. Make sure to clear direct formatting with Clear Formatting or select the text and reset borders. If nothing works, copy the content into a new blank document to isolate corrupt styles or invisible objects. That usually eliminates stubborn borders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.